Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make French toast without cinnamon. First, gather your ingredients: 4 slices of thick bread, 2 large eggs, 1/4 cup of milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. You'll also need a tablespoon of butter for cooking. Whisk the eggs, milk, and vanilla in a shallow dish. This simple mixture forms the base of our delicious, cinnamon-free French toast. Prepare your cooking surface by heating a griddle or large skillet over medium heat. Now let's get cooking. Melt 1/2 tablespoon of butter on your preheated griddle. Take 1 slice of bread and quickly dip it into the egg mixture, letting any excess drip off. You want the bread coated but not soggy. Place the dipped bread onto the hot griddle. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes per side until it's beautifully golden brown and cooked through. Repeat with the remaining slices, adding more butter as needed. Want to elevate your cinnamon-free French toast? Try adding a pinch of nutmeg or cardamom to the egg mixture for a subtle warmth. A dash of orange zest or a few drops of almond extract can also introduce delightful new flavors. For serving, consider fresh berries, a dusting of powdered sugar, or a generous drizzle of maple syrup. You can also top it with whipped cream or a fruit compote. The possibilities are endless for a delicious breakfast. For the best French toast, use slightly stale bread. It absorbs the custard better without becoming mushy. Also, avoid oversoaking your bread. A quick dip on each side is usually enough to get a good coating. Cook in batches if necessary to prevent overcrowding the pan, ensuring each piece cooks evenly. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Enjoy your perfectly crafted, cinnamon-free French toast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.